Welcome everyone. So wishing you all a very happy new year. May this new year bring lot of success, happiness and love in your life. Okay. So here today we are going to understand how to find the square root of 2026. Now before going ahead, I'm just going to take a few minutes and going to explain how to find a square root of let's say 13. It's an imperfect number. Okay, so first what we'll do is we'll write 13 as its nearest square plus something. Okay, now what we will do next is we will take 9 uh, out of the root, which is 3 plus 4 upon, since we are doing a root, so we'll divide 4 by 2 and multiply it with 3. Okay, so basically we are getting this as what? 3 plus, this is cancelling, so we have 2 by 3, and we all know 2 by 3 is nothing but what? 0.66. so here we'll write it as what? 3.66 recurring. Okay, so basically what did I do? I split this number as a sum of nearest square plus whatever digits are left. Okay, and after that, since we are doing the root, we are taking everything outside the root, but we'll keep this number as it is. Don't make the mistake of making this 4 or taking root of this 4. Okay, and here when you do that, because we are not taking root of 4, so we are dividing 4 by 2. Always divide that number by 2 and multiply it with whatever number you get over here. So here let's come back to 2026. This can be written, as we all know 2025 was a perfect square, so this can be written as 2025 plus 1, and we know root of 2025 was what? 45 plus 1 upon 2 multiplied by this number, which is 45. So basically we are getting 45 plus 1 upon 90. So we can say the answer for this question is supposed to be 45.0111 recurring. Okay, so I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.